Today we're going to show you how to make a soothing face mask using aloe, flowers, and clay. The first step is to pick one clay that you like. Here we have Bentonite Clay and Rhassoul Clay. The second step is to pick a dry flower of your choice, and you want to grind it in an herb grinder. Here we have chamomile. It's been grounded pretty fine. And here we have rose petals. They've also been grinded pretty fine. We are showing you two different options. So you have choices of clay and flowers, but the measurements will be the same. And they are 2 teaspoons of your clay and 1 teaspoon of dry flowers. We love a raw aloe vera that comes straight from the plant, so we'll be using a real plant. Cut it and get some aloe out of it. This is what aloe looks inside. Look at that. Some real aloe vera from the plant. It's a bit dense, so we'll be putting it in a blender to liquefy it a little more. This is our aloe vera gel. We'll be putting 3 teaspoons in each mask, or enough to make a paste. And here we go. Super natural, awesome, refreshing mask. You want to make single doses because there's no preservatives here, so the aloe will not last. But yeah, it is very refreshing and soothing, and you just leave it on your face until it dries up.